So in the previous video we learned that current is the flow of charge. In physics it's usually electrons. Potential difference is what causes the current to flow. You may know this term by voltage, which is absolutely fine. And what resistance is how hard it is for the current to flow. For example, if we were to zoom in on the wire that we had earlier, but if this time we made it really thin, it would be a lot harder for the electrons to flow. Or if, for example, if we made the wire so it was a lot thinner at a certain point, obviously we can't really do this, but it's just an analogy. It'd be a lot harder for the current to flow, so we'd say it has a greater resistance. And current resistance and potential difference are all linked by the equation potential difference equals current times resistance. Potential difference is measured in volts, current measured in amps, and resistance is measured in ohms with this Greek omega sign. So how do we find resistance? So let's say we've got 3 amps and let's say we've got 12 volts of potential difference. 12 volts equals 3 amps times resistance. We don't know what the resistance is, so we rearrange. The opposite of times 3 is divided by 3, so we do 12 divided by 3 equals our resistance. 12 divided by 3, even though we can easily do that in our head, we use a calculator just to make sure. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and resistance is measured in ohms, so we put our ohms on it. And that's how current, resistance and potential difference are all related.